This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Taylor Kincaid. Thanks for joining us. And Gary, we're glad to have you here today.
Thank you.
Now, you are always sharing really valuable information with us when you come on. And so I think we all want to know, why is it so important for you to share your legal guidance through Legal Break?
Well, you know, we've been doing this, almost 10 years, so a long time. And I get a lot of positive feedback from the community. Look, I feel like the community should be informed. And if I can share something of value, I'm happy to do it. That's number one. I mean, why not? And I feel like people should know the law. It shouldn't be a mystery to people. You should know what you're dealing with and what the consequences are of things, you know? So sometimes a case can be made or broken in the first 48 hours, depending on what you do or how you react to a situation. So I like to share information about that because it's important. The law shouldn't be a mystery. People should know, and really, you shouldn't be intimidated by it. I mean, it's not. There's a lot of nuances. There's a lot to it. I won't take anything away from all that, but in the end, it's really about applying common sense principles to the things that we encounter. You know, when you go to law school, what you really learn is not the law. You learn how to think, and to think is this: to spot issues. So when you take a test, the test isn't whether you're right or wrong, because the law can change tomorrow, as we see every day. Right. You know, so the law is there an issue here I need to think about? Is something happened, and what applies to it? What are the considerations I need to give, and where do I need to look to find the answer for a solution? So that's what I want people to kind of gear into, is these are issues. Maybe I hadn't thought about that issue. But it's something for me to think about. And there's usually two sides to most of them. One prevails generally, but that doesn't mean you don't consider the other.
Now, when a person has an incident, should it be their first reaction to call a lawyer?
No. No. I mean, there's times, yes, but every problem doesn't have to be resolved with a lawyer. And so maybe we share a little bit about that too. Maybe you try and resolve it. There's some things you can resolve without calling a lawyer, but if you need a lawyer, you shouldn't be talked out of it. You shouldn't be intimidated out of it. You shouldn't be shamed out of it. Call the lawyer. I mean, if anything, we're showing that we're very approachable people. Yeah. We want to help. That's what we do. So reach out. That's why I do it. I want people to feel comfortable going, all right, well, there's more going on here than I really want to handle. Let me talk to somebody who may give me some guidance.
All right, and they always know where to reach you.
They do.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you all on the next Legal Break.
This has been Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.